Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking this video, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'll be making an egg sauce for breakfast. For this recipe you will need some eggs, onion, spring onion, scotch bonnet, 2 stock cubes, salt, oil, tomatoes. I will now prep my ingredients. So guys, I've now prepped my ingredients, and now it's time to start cooking. So guys, in a heated pan, add some oil. Once it's transited, add some chopped tomatoes. And some scotch bonnet that is chopped up. Just mix it all together. Now that they're mixed together, I'll now leave them to cook 5 to 8 minutes. Now I will season my tomatoes, onions, and peppers. I'm seasoning this with some stock cubes and some salt to the taste. Now I'm going to mix it all in. Now it's time to put my eggs, so now I'll create some holes to put my eggs in. Now to add my eggs. Now let this to simmer. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. So it's time to break it and give it a stir. Wow, it's starting to look good already. I'll give it a quick little stir. Lastly going in is my spring onions. You can eat this with yam, boiled jam, boiled potatoes, fried potatoes, rice, anything. Doesn't this look amazing? Wow. Spring onion really make it pop. A quick stir and I'll be done. Now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.